ole tun video a hian tense kan thlir ho don ani tense chu hlom thuma then ani a present tense past tense le future tense a then ani a chungte chu amal malin chilia then som le thon ani a indefinite tense continuous tense perfect tense le perfect continuous tense a te then ani present tense hi tun hun soina present chu tun soina mai ani a chuan heng present tense hi amal malin kan thlur don ani ama sabertan present indefinite tense present tense kha soita ang khan chili oma present indefinite tense te present continuous tense present perfect continuous present perfect tense le present perfect continuous tense te then som ani a saberin simple present tense emo present indefinite tense emo hi lo thlir ho ta ila hetilaya sentence hi lo chir masab phot ila I drink a cup of tea every morning. He tells a story about flies. Mundewin kan en chuan hey first sentence dina hian rong chithum runda a I he about the he subject ani a drink tells flies the verb ani chuan a cup of tea tile a story ti hi object ani every morning te chu a verb of time kan maya ti chuan mundeu kan en chuan hey ho hi hey mu mal de vina in rema subject verb object ani maya indefinite ti chu bituk omlo achi ni lo soina kha ani te umai ho zaw zong achi ni lo a hun bi chi soina ni lem lo kan ti chin han ti ei azinga zingtin mai ka phi chin school ka kal thin laitin ka in khel thin kumtin ka zinji han ti ang kha indefinite tense chu ani te umaya chuan khang ho kha subject verb object in all samte in rem anni chu a all sam em wanga simple present tense tipo ani reng ani chuan tilaya sentence lo chiar le ila what do you do you love me I do not smoke he does not smoke anti ang te hi ti chuan kan mu chu do form atel vek ti hi ni chuan what do you do engai ti chin ti emo do you love me hi han soita ga chun love hi tense dang hian an soi ngai serem ve me lo at sentence a dik thei lo ni lovin an soi ngai mi lo ti hi reve mai la chan chu kamangai to kamangai me khan ti kha om ve lo mangai mek lai khom lo e chu wang chon love an ti te hi indefinite tense a zingi ani soingi ani chin chuan an sei sun som le taila what do you do I go to school do you love me I love you I smoke he smokes so nachina khan sentence kan chira khan he tells about flies ti kan hu a heta hian I smoke kan ti line he smokes kan ti le a he achan chu singular verb kan man fa ani singular verb chu present indefinite tense a subject akha third person singular number ani in ani third person singular number pronoun angin choi taila he she it te le mimal ming shim kha ani mimal ming te thil pakhat ming te thil nung lo po hun ming po ni se kha pakhat ani chuan present indefinite tense a chuan verb a hian smo esmo tel tur ani ti khan kan riat tura chuan do indefinite tense chuan do form akeng tel ti khalo theta photila chuan adot le a chuan chumi ma in aman na hi lo soi le ta ila heng habita te thilin thlak thinga chuang lo a te general truth thil dik om sa ring kan ti a te antinan I smoke me ka su chin han ti te habita kan nei ani I work in London a ka thok ani ka thok mek ti kha soyangai chuang lo London a ka thok train han ti ang te London is a large city han ti te kha tu dik reng ani avangin general truth ani avangin London was a large city hanti khangai chuang lem lo ani tin adot le chun sirti na in pe ka emo in ko huna anga hian hei chumi chu tumi kha mi chu I ti anga ti chuan iti le anga hanti ang rengte hei you walk for 200 meters then you turn left meters ni ikalanga ti chuan velama ipe ngang hanti ang te khati anga khan in ko huna anga tin sirti na anga te hian indefinite tense himan ani tin hun bituk na hentinan your exam starts at 9 hanti anga te hun lulom tu poni se hun bi kan tuk to chuan kha starts at 9 will start ti khangai lem do ani tin future time po ni sela heng conjunction after when before as soon as until kan ti ho anga hian manangai lo tilai sentence a hian he'll give it to you when you come next Saturday eta hian Saturday kha lo la thing lo ania lo la kal mia lo I local huna chuan alo pe me anga che atia ilo when you will come ti kha ngai chuang lo asan chu when kami conjunction in ron som awang khan heta first clause a hian he'll give it to you ti aum to thowa chu wa chuan tilaya conjunction lo nuwa hian a future tense kha da ngai chuang lo ani ti chuan kha indefinite tense ania che chun kan ti chin ti ang kha ni deuh mai kan ti chin ang soina kha ani mai chu present indefinite tense ani adot le chun present continuous tense a local le taila tilaya sentence lo chiar le taila I'm drinking water tuikin mek ani he is reading a story thon thua chiar mek they are coming local mek e hanti ang te kha chuan ngun dewa kan en chuan subject I he they kan mu a chuan verb kha drinking reading coming alo oma khang kha principal verb kha ing tel vek ani chumi ma chuan before am is are alo kal ani ti chuan principal verb ma a hang auxiliary verb model auxiliary verb is mr kan ti ang kha local a chuan before kan man to nu chuan verb a hin ing man nge ngai chumin nu object local ang ti han chiang mayang chumo before chu am was is are were be been khang ho song kha ani kan ti na hi ani te uber mai mizo tong chuan sentence tang lo chhir le ta ila what are we doing he is not reading are they coming they are not coming hey heng po are is alo feka chuan a principal verb ing a fek pokani zona polo ni se zona ani chuan they are coming and local make are they coming and local make kami auxiliary verb kha local masa thina before ma kha local masa ani continuous form a kha kan create ring angai zona le zolo na zona ni lo positive sentence han soi don chuan kha khami thak hing te kha ni mai athil poi thak ani lem lo ti chuan present perfect tense lo soi le taila perfect hi chu kan ti so hlim hlul present chu tun suina ni kan ti to a perfect chu thil ti fel to ang kha ani tilai sentence lo chiar le ta ila I have done my work he has read my story they have gone Mary and her mother cooked food heng hi om si chu I have done my work ti chu kan ha ka zo fel ta ka zo ve ta hande ang kha ni a he has read my story ka thun thu a chiar ve ta ka thun thu a chiar to anti te ka thun thu zia ka chiar to anti te they have gone and kaliam chia anti te Mary le anu chuan an chum pe fel ta chi anti khatiang man na chi kha ani thil kan ti zo hlim hlul kan han thoveng soi chuna ang te po ni theyang chu khatiang kha nia un dev kan en chun I he they Mary and her mother subject alo kala have form alo nge ani have form a chuan have has had khani maya has he soitang khan third person singular number third person singular number man ani chuan verb principal verb he third form past participle form kan ti ang kha man nge ngai chon object in front suita ni suita ang khan have form lo principal verb ma have form lo oma chuan principal verb kha a third form ani chu perfect tense indefinite tense khan du form akenga continuous in before makenga perfect in have form akeng kha chiang tur angai ila ti chuan sentence dang lo chiar le ila have you seen my new bike I have never known that man he has not read the Bible ka bike tharim hotem hanti te so pa so ral hringai mi lo hanti te Bible al chiar lo hanti ang reng te kha hei zona te alo ni zona le negative sentence alo ni a you have seen my new bike ka bike imuta chi e ka bike thar chu imuta chi e hanti kha ka bike imuto em hanti don chuan have you seen auxiliary verb kan ti kha alo kal masa ani kha perfect tense alo ni le a present perfect tense chuan adot le a chuan present perfect continuous tense alo le a chu perfect tense le continuous tense kai ko po kan ti thei o me ti chuan he sentence singun devin lo thiar le ta ila I have been searching for my pen. It has been raining since yesterday. They have been playing football. He has been living in London. Perfect continuous kan man na tur chu thil lati taringa hanti te lati ta cheu mai hanti ang ring te khania entina kapen kala song tangar ngar hanti te ni min tang ru ala sur ta char tun thlengin hanti ang te football an la khel tangar ngar mai a hanti te London a kala te cheng ta char hanti te khang ho kha ni a perfect continuous man na chu kha ani ti chuan perfect tense perfect alo wang khuan have form kan man te langa ya continuous kan alo tel boka vain perfect continuous ni le vain be form kan ma kha be kha perfect ani vain a third form been kan mangai chon be form kan man chon continuous a chuan principal verb ing man le nge alo ni kan sei tang khan indefinite form indefinite tense chuan do form akenga do form a chon do das ti khalo ni maya continuous tense chuan be form akeng tela chu is mr was were be been anti te kha chuan perfect form chu perfect tense chuan have form akenga chu have has had khan ni maya has te is te das khut ti lai mi ho khu present tense a chuan kan sei tang khan third person singular number ani khan kan thiam tura ngai ila clear tu zong ten he video hi hlok taka in lo mana in enjoy kan be sei a tangkai takalo mangse turin du sakna an hlan chu ani